I was more thinking like the mountain and the ocean that you can see.
Oh, there's the campfire. You gotta go through the snow. Yeah, there's a trail marker. So we're at the mouth of the lake here where it goes to the waterfall, and yeah, we do have to cross these logs. That tree would have caught me, don't worry. I guess I should probably put my GoPro away. As you can see, we're all pivoting. Oh shit! Pivoting around because this last section is a little bit too sketchy. The slope is really steep. You can see that there. And if there's this much snow here, there's definitely going to be much more snow up ahead. So we don't want to risk this corner in case one of us falls in this water here. Be kind of sketchy situation, so we're gonna call it and turn around.
I don't know if it'd be something like just what's over there, just the open.
All right, making our way down the mountain now. A lot faster of a pace, obviously. Oh, there we go. We are done.